Hi, it's me, Katie Davis, and today I'm Katie, the grill master. First, I'm going to show you how to turn on the grill. If you're using a propane tank like I am, this is how you do it. I don't know the other way, so. First, what you do is you got to turn the propane on. Then, did you hear that? It goes like this. That is so cool. Today's recipe, we're going to be grilling pork chops. My pork chops in the special seasoning stuff. And in here is lime juice, special seasoning stuff, and olive oil. I like that sound. Beautiful. Oh, come here. I like that sound. It sounds so cool. Okay, so I think we'll let them sit now, and we're going to close this up, and we're going to let them sit for 10 minutes on one side of the patty, and then we're going to flip them over for another 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to eat. It's been 10 minutes. Let's flip them. Woo! Look at that. It scares me. Woo! Oh. 10 more minutes, and they'll be done. Look how pretty that is. Okay. I like pork chops. I like pork chops. Now, you gotta close your grill, and you gotta come over here, and you gotta make sure you turn it off. Oh, this is amazing! So, Bobby Flay, whenever you're ready for a throwdown, come on down. Chillin' in GA. Oh yeah, baby. Are you ready?